April 21st, Hollywood Studios, folks.
Wow.
It's a Sunday, yeah. We came down on a Sunday. We will be here all week. You're going to see vlogs all week long. We have Chewy. He's firing off his extremely powerful bow gun. It's called a bow gun. Alright, we're going to do some shopping here at Keystone Clothiers. Some of you may know this is 28th of Main. Alright guys, despite all the construction, as you can see, there's still a lot here. There's still a lot going on at Hollywood Studios. Battling a Sith is make sure your shoelaces are tied. You don't want to be tripping up in the middle of a battle. It can cost you everything. Alright guys, let's get on the Backlot Express. There are some real Hollywood movie props inside of this restaurant.
I won't.
What?
That's bad. I won't.
A little bit of noise here. Alright. Alright guys, we're going to try to get a better angle of the construction over here. We can kind of get a better view over the wall. So that's where we're headed now. It almost feels like a greenhouse today, doesn't it? It's pretty hot. It's not like the middle of July or August hot, but it's getting there.
Really a good picture of us. Hi!
How's that?
Alright, 40 minutes for start course.
Left shoulder, right shoulder, block, hello and duck, stand. Got your opponent's head.
Stand. Now tie your shoe.
Your opponent will be taller than you. Good. And rest.
Brows on, so.
Doesn't look like it. Here, let's
black
everybody
line.
else check it out. Is anything smeared?
My eyebrows still there.
Oh, they're still there. Gonzo's Royal Flush. Aptly named the General Public Restrooms. Shoot down here. Let's get our cardio in. We're gonna go upstairs here. We've had our afternoon lunch, but we're not eating here, so we're just gonna get our cardio and walk up these stairs. Oh yeah, feel the burn. All right, well this is very lovely up here. Oh yeah. So, as I promised earlier, this is a very good vantage point. Although some very inconspicuous trees have blocked a lot of the view here. So we have some columns. We have some concrete work. A lot of concrete work. Although this building right here will remain, apparently. So, very interesting. Sorry folks, I'm a little out of breath. Alright, so this is the view from up on the second floor, Pizza Rizzo. So, Muppet Vision is still playing strong. Alright, next time we're going to eat here, I promise. Oh, got some interesting building work here. Alright. So what you think? Think about the view. Yes. Good.
Oh, be wonderful. I hate when you do that.
So they got some inconspicuous trees in the way.
Come on.
But you know, in the summer, it's going to be fully grown trees. Kind of bushy. I guess that's what they're planning for, is a bushy tree in the way so nobody can get the updates. Anyway, so there's the updates from the second floor Pizza Rizzo. We're going to move on, and we probably got a good 20-minute walk, 15-minute walk back over to the other side. We might take our time and just go around. Oh wait, I can show you some hidden Mickeys. You want to see some hidden Mickeys? Alright guys, as promised, I'll show you some hidden Mickeys.
Yeah, we're all going in the store.
There's one right there. They cleaned a lot of this up. Let's see. Where are they? Oh, right here. Right here. Got turned around. And voila. I got a little one right here. Got another one right here. You're wondering where this is at. This is behind the Muppets gift shop. You'll see where all the fences are up. And it's the wet paint, do not touch. Muppet stuff, stage 1. So here's where you see your hidden Mickeys right in here. I know, right? A Disney park with hidden Mickeys? What? You gotta be crazy. What do you say we go to Gonzo's Royal Flush? That's the tomato loading zone over there, apparently. That's where they load the tomatoes. You gotta make it a pizza, huh? You got a dough, we got a cheese, huh? Salads, pizza, beer. Gotta make it a pizza. But right now we gotta go make it a pee-pee. Make it a pee-pee. Alright guys, another interesting fact. Going into the Muppet Vision 3D, What's that?
Just you? To the
No.
tower. Okay.
I just want to look under the mat.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not going there. Alright guys, back in 5 minutes. Key's under the mat. Alright, look at that. Key is right there. Right there. Alright. Alright, thank you.
No problem.
Alright guys, Sunset Boulevard headed towards the infamous Tower of Terror roller coaster.
We're celebrating which one? I like the other one.
Okay. Fine.
Congratulations. What do you say? Happy anniversary. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna go to Indiana Jones Adventure Outpost right here.
Okay. Let's go. I don't even think we've ever been here, have we?
One time.
Yeah,
Look, they're doing something over here. Galloping Gertie, the SS down the hatch. Indiana Jones,
What?
SS down the hatch. Galloping Gertie.
What did I call her earlier?
I don't know. Try it again. Let's see what happens. Give it a shot.
Galloping Gertie.
Galloping Gertie. There's the famous Hyperion Theater.
Grumbling, grumpy.
Yeah. Also known as Grumbling Grumpy. It is a little after 7, almost 7:30. The park can extend out a little bit.
The sun is hiding. Finally.
Sun is under some clouds. Yeah, MK don't have anything on this park. There are like three or 6 cranes over there. Magic Kingdom only has 1 crane. This place has like,
I think it keeps that
thing has like a half a dozen cranes. I mean, I get it, you know. I get it. Hollywood Studios didn't want to be outdone. It wanted more cranes. I can understand. Pretty soon there will be the Galactic Spectacular Fireworks Show here shortly. This little area right here is going to be pretty busy.
Which is a first and is so cool.
Sci-fi dining.
Huh?